Are you getting annoyed by the Application Library DLL causing your system integrity to fail? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture right now. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for Application Library, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This is the Application Library, a generic naming convention used by dozens of proprietary applications from specialized web tools to CAD suites to house their shared application logic and localized object management. Because it lacks a standardized parent, its absence usually points to a broken installation that requires the original installer to restore. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Since Application Library DLL is an embedded part of the localized application entry logic architecture, you should perform a clean reinstall of the application that triggered the message to ensure all proprietary components are restored to their proper paths. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the application library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Using an incorrect or outdated version of Application Library DLL can create a domino effect, causing other unrelated programs on your PC to start failing. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. Review system security and background process optimization concepts using the maintenance kit linked below for Application Library. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Application Library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.